Guys, welcome to our channel. Subscribers, like and share. We'll get more interesting videos for you. Today's video is on Subway Surf. So here we go. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Subway Surf, there is a new update in this. You all can make it in auto update. So it can be updated auto. You'll come to know when the updates are coming. So here I am going. So what all you have to do is collect the coins, boards, whatever you all can use it. So yeah. So I hope you all are enjoying this video. Subscribers, like and share. And I have lost. I hope it be a high score. So in this you will get a missions. I got this missions, achievements, collect reward. Tap to open. I got 3 keys, so you have to go back. Then in me you will get some. So here I have some gift right there. So I have unlocked it. I'm going back in this. I'm collecting gift. I hope you all are enjoying this video. Subscribers and like and share. We'll get more interesting videos for you. So right now here, join our friends. So I don't have right there friends. Then get 3 free. Back. I got 3 free with this. So I hope you all enjoy this video. It's enough for today. Thank you.